it also comes with a lot of stress of the personal
Yeah.
life. So how do you set that energy throughout the team?
Mm. Yeah, so around 2018, 2017, 2018, a lot of our structural ethos transformed in a bit. The fans' perspective stayed, but the way the organization ran transformed a bit. And a lot of credit goes to Harit and Jaskirat, my
Mm-hmm.
co-founders. So we kind of rebuilt the way the team was set up, and it became a completely professional organization around 20, starting from 2018, where everybody was, we hired like talent who was looking into sports but can make a career out of here. So we have a clear career ladder now. People join as a writer, they can become an editor, they can become a sub content lead, they can become a content lead, they can become part of the content strategy team. We allow them to even become part of the SEO team or even join engineering marketing teams. So there are departments set up as a mature department. In the past 4 years, we've been scaling pretty well. And in terms of balancing with life, I think we give a lot of autonomy to our people. So what this allows us to do is that we never micromanage the team that we have. So we don't say that, okay, this is your login time, this is your logout time. We
Mm-hmm.
only talk in terms of outcomes, that, okay, this is the outcome expected out of you. And
Mm-hmm.
everybody is mature enough to make that happen from there. Now, if you're, as long as you're delivering those outcomes, you can manage your day in whatever form you want. So like, let's say, like we were just having a quarterly meet last quarter, and a lot of our content leads were there. It was primarily content leads quarterly meet,
Mm-hmm.
and we took them to an IPL match
Okay.
as a retreat in the end.
Mm.
A lot of people were just allotting topics while watching the IPL match as well, because sports is just a big part of their life. They can allot topics on WhatsApp. It's a part of their life. So that's how it functions.